Hey everyone, and welcome back to B's Kitchen. Hope you're all doing well. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button. So today's recipe is very simple and is absolutely delicious. I am going to show you how to make brown stew chicken. Now, if you've never had brown stew chicken before, you are certainly in for a treat. So stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. In this bowl, I have my chicken, which has been cleaned, and I have also removed the skin. For the vegetables, I have garlic, Scotch bonnet, fresh tomatoes, onion, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and spring onions, and I have cut all the vegetables. I have ground pimento in this little pot. I have all-purpose seasoning, smoked paprika, onion salt, garlic granules, chicken seasoning, thyme, vegetable oil, tomato ketchup, browning, white pepper, black pepper, adobo seasoning, Badia complete seasoning, and finally curry powder. As always, all ingredients including measurements will be in the description box below. I'm going to begin by seasoning the chicken. Feel free to season your chicken with your preferred seasonings of choice. As I've added all my seasonings, I'm now going to add the browning sauce, and the browning sauce is what's going to give the chicken that beautiful brown color that we're looking for. Try not to add too much when you're adding the browning sauce because you don't want your chicken to be black, otherwise it can taste bitter. Next, mix everything together and ensure that the chicken is well coated in the seasonings. I'm now going to add all the vegetables and I will mix everything together. Next, I will cover with cling film and I will refrigerate the chicken overnight to ensure that it is well marinated. However, if you don't have enough time, you can certainly allow your chicken to marinate for at least 2 hours. The next day, I have taken my marinated chicken out of my refrigerator, and what I'm going to do now is move all the chicken to one side, and next I'm going to separate the chicken from the vegetables. I'm just preparing the chicken for frying. And as you can see, I have removed the vegetables from the chicken and I've left it on one side. Next, I'm going to set this aside, ready for frying. I'm now going to make the brown stew chicken sauce. So in a bowl, I'm going to mix together ketchup, a little bit of browning and water, and I'll mix everything together into a light porridge consistency. When it comes to adding the browning sauce to your ketchup, it really depends on how dark you want your brown stew chicken to look. I don't want my brown stew chicken to look too dark, so I'm only going to add a little bit of the browning sauce. However, if you like yours really dark, then I would say add a little bit more of the browning sauce. Try not to add too much because it can leave your stew bitter. I'm going to gradually add the water and I'll continue to mix into a light porridge consistency. Also guys, depending on the amount of chicken that you'll be using for this recipe, you may need to increase the amount of ketchup, browning and water. Now time to start making a brown stew chicken. In my pan, I have added oil and I'm going to allow the oil to come to heat. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add my chicken and I will allow the chicken to brown on low to medium heat. I'm not going to fully cook the chicken because I will be finishing the cooking process later on. Once one side has browned nicely, I will flip over and allow the opposite side to also brown. And as you can see, the chicken has browned beautifully, so I'm just going to remove it from my pan and I will set this aside for later use. I'm now going to add the vegetables and I will saute for 2 minutes on low to medium heat. As the vegetables have sauteed for 2 minutes, I am going to add the browning and the ketchup mixture. I will wash my bowl with a little bit of water and I will add it to my pan. I am now going to add the chicken. Next, I will gently mix everything together. I will add dried thyme. I will cover and allow the brown stew chicken to simmer on low to medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Also, don't forget to taste and adjust seasonings if needed. And guys, the brown stew chicken is ready, and if I tell you the smell coming from this pot, oh my goodness, it smells so good, and I cannot wait to enjoy this with rice and peas. I do have that recipe on this channel, so be sure to check it out. Of course, you can enjoy this with any side dish of your choice, plain rice, boiled yam, whatever. It's entirely up to you. But as always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and click that notification bell which will notify you whenever I post delicious recipes like this. Enjoy your brown stew chicken as I am going to do mine with rice and peas, and I will see you next time. Bye.